How to check medical insurance status with Emirates ID. So in this video, I'll show you how to check medical insurance status with Emirates ID. You can check your medical insurance status in the UAE using your Emirates ID by visiting your insurance provider's website or app and entering your Emirates ID number. So the first option that you have is to go to your insurance provider. So most UAE health insurance allow you to check your policy status online using your Emirates ID. Visit your insurer's official website or mobile app and look for a section like Check Insurance Status or Policy Verification. Enter your Emirates ID number and you'll see details like policy activation status, coverage network, expiry date, benefits and limits, and examples of providers offering this feature include Daman, Oman Insurance, and AXA Gulf. Now, second option that you have is through the Dubai Health Authority or DHA. So in here, if your insurance is registered with DHA, go ahead and head over to the DHA website. So on the official website of DHA, go ahead and look for health insurance. So you'll basically find that on the sidebar and then click on health insurance under this. And then from here, you should be able to find the check insurance status button. So once you click on it, you'll need to enter your Emirates ID number, view your coverage details instantly. And the last option that you have is to visit clinics or hospitals. So since 2017, Emirates ID has been linked directly to health insurance. Present your Emirates ID at any hospital or clinic. They can swipe it to check your coverage even if you don't have your insurance card. And that is how you can basically check medical insurance status with Emirates ID.